Whether you're entering the factoring industry on a part time basis or you're planning to build a full time commercial finance consulting career, one thing is absolutely essential from day one. You must have a professional website, and you should make certain you have a quality website for your business operational within your first 30 days. Your website is your core marketing foundation. It is where every single direct mail campaign, email outreach, social media post, and networking contact will eventually lead. It proves legitimacy, it establishes trust, and it positions you as a real solution provider to small businesses in need of working capital. The good news is that today's technology makes building and managing a professional website easier than ever. With the WordPress platform, the #1 website system in the world, combined with the drag and drop power of the Elementor Page Builder plugin, anyone can build a polished, high-impact online presence without knowing a single line of code. Elementor allows you to change images, adjust layouts, rewrite messages, and customize your brand literally in minutes. But a factoring broker's website is more than just a digital business card. It includes a completely integrated blog, and that blog becomes your engine for powerful content marketing. It's where you publish articles that display your expertise, attract referral partners, and generate real leads from small business owners searching for solutions. If you are a member of the IACFB, you already have a major advantage. You can access professionally designed broker website templates at an extremely low cost. These templates are built specifically for factoring brokers, and deep discounts are available for active Factoring 101 Guide subscribers. The templates include everything you need: a beautiful homepage, service pages, a full blog system, and structured expert content layouts ready for your marketing campaigns. So remember this: success in this business starts with being visible, being professional, and being prepared for opportunity. And that all begins with your website. For Factoring 101 Broker's Guide subscribers, we also provide step-by-step instructions in course number 4 on productivity, which details exactly how to set up one of the IACFB's professional templated factoring broker websites and make it operational in less than 24 hours. And as usual, remember to subscribe to this IACFB playlist for more bootcamp content. You could be just a few hours away from generating your first factoring leads and residual life of account commission income.